welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Abina, and if this is your first time stopping by my channel, you are most definitely welcome. On this channel I teach how to make your own braids and also beauty related videos, and I'll be adding a touch of fashion this year. So if this sounds like something you are interested in, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the post notifications so you don't miss out on any hair uploads I make. So without further much ado, let's hop into this video.
Don't forget to subscribe.
In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to make this beautiful boho knotless braids using yarn. You guys can tell it's all about yarn these days because we're trying to save some money. So if you're excited as I am, because I can't wait to show you and give you guys the details, please stay tuned and I'll catch you guys all at the end of the video. Welcome once again. I'm starting off with my hair freshly washed and detangled. I wrapped it in a towel, that's why it's looking like this. This is the type of yarn and color I'll be using today. I measured 32 inches and I cut it. Next off is this curly crochet braids that I'll be featuring, and I'll be using this type of gel, rubber band, your rattle comb and your clip. And that's basically it. So this is me flaunting my hair, and yeah, I'm showing you guys all angles. So let's start braiding, guys. I'm going to start off by putting this hair polisher on my hair just to give it a more shiny and sleek look, and then I'm going to start making my pattern, and here it's self-explanatory. I'll let you guys watch it and I'll come back later. Parting my hair on camera really takes a lot of time, so I went off camera to finish the rest of the hair, and this is how my patterns are looking like right now. As you can see, the rubber bands are not that tight. That's because I'm going to take them off before we start braiding. Before we begin our braids, I'm adding some gel at the root of my hair just to slick it down, and I don't want too much gel in my hair because the gel I'm using flakes a lot. So I use two different types. I use the ORS gel in clear color, and then I use the other one in black just to hide the flakes. And doing knotless braids, the steps are always simple and the same. You first of all make a 3-part braid in your hair, and then you braid it like twice, or even you can make it 3 times to make it secured. Then you are going to be feeding in a yarn. By feeding in the yarn, I started by adding 3 strands of yarn, but mostly in total each braid has 20 strands of yarn. I hope that is clear. And then once I'm done adding the yarn, I then add my curly braids and I pull it off the way, then I braid along. So as I'm braiding and I get to a place whereby I feel like I need to release the curly hair, I do so, then I continue braiding. Just watch the video and you understand what I'm trying to say. I'm going to braid one more time for you guys to see. First of all, you need to apply gel at the root. This side is optional. You can do or let go of it. Then I'm going to use my rattle comb to kind of brush everything in so that the flakes doesn't come out that much. And then once I'm done, I'm going to start braiding. And as you can see, I divided my hair, or I sectioned my hair into 3. Then I started to make a regular box braid about 2 or 3 times. Then I'm going to start feeding in the hair, and as I said, I started feeding in with 3 strand braids. Then I migrated to 4. I used 4 3 times, and that is how I got the knotless effect and all braids having the same sizes. Don't forget that along this process, I still added the curly hair in between. So watch the video to see as and when I added the curly hair, because it's optional. You can either do this style without the curly hair, or you can do it and place the curly hair at the beginning, in the middle, anywhere you want. You can customize it, guys. Now let's get up close and personal. I want you guys to see what I'm doing clearly. See how I'm sectioning the hair 3 equal parts. Then I'm going to start braiding normal 3 strand braid, which is pretty easy for everyone to do. So I did that twice, making sure that I'm gripping the hair really tight. And this is me showing you the yarn. It's 3 pieces. I'm going to add that as my first piece, and I'm going to add my second piece, which is 4 pieces of yarn. And then I'm going to add my third piece, which is also 4 pieces, my fourth piece, which is also 4 pieces, and then my 5th piece, which is about 5 or 6 pieces. And that's basically it, guys. This hair took a total of 1 hour to braid, and I used 6 bundles of the hair I showed in the beginning of the video. Now it's time to accessorize it. I did one side to show you guys, that's optional if you like it, and the other side with no bead. You can just cut off the excess and you are good to go. And that's basically it, guys. The style turned out really beautiful. As you guys can see, I was already feeling myself and I loved the hair. Please try it out, guys. It feels so lightweight and not heavy at all. Thank you all so much for watching. If you made it this far, I really appreciate you. Thanks for the support. If you like this video and you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and share the video. And also, all products used will be listed in the description section with links on where you can buy them if you're not in Ghana. If you're in Ghana, just go to any local beauty supply store in your area and you can get it. Okay, and so yeah, I'll catch you guys on in my next video. Stay fab, stay beautiful, and be awesome. Bye, loves.